Court does call the case of the people versus Juliet von Ocean Bear Martinez.
All right, so on behalf of Judicial Township.
All right. Ma'am, can you state your name, please?
Devin Julia Martinez.
All right. Mr. Martinez, this is an arraignment on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about May 18th, 2025, at the location of Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you were in possession of drug paraphernalia. Do you understand the nature of that charge, ma'am?
Yes.
That's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court cost, and any substance abuse counseling the court deems necessary. You understand that?
Right.
All right. And my first question to you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
It isn't
Pardon?
necessary. It isn't necessary.
Is it necessary?
It isn't necessary.
Well, it might be.
I said it isn't necessary, so could I just speak for myself?
Okay, what do you want to do on the case?
Just let me think.
Hey, Ms. Martinez,
Yeah.
are you still, you had other cases a while back. Are you still on probation on those cases?
No.
Okay, so you're not before the court, a court, on any other things?
I am, but none of them are drug related, and they're about to be finished.
Well, maybe. What other courts are you before, Ms. Martinez?
Is it necessary to expound upon this?
Pardon?
Is this relevant?
Well, it could be, because you could be facing additional sanctions depending on those cases, depending on what happens in this case.
Well, is there any way to lay this down, like have it like
To do what?
have it go, like, is there any way to like forget about this somehow? Is there anything that I can do, like community service or something that could do instead of
Ms. Martinez, you don't have, that's why I think you would need an attorney. I mean, you can proceed on your own if that's what you want to do. But quite frankly, knowing a little bit about your history, I don't know that would be a wise call on your part.
I guess so. Like what, like, I suppose.
Ms. Martinez, just answer me this. Are you represented by the public defender's office on your other matters?
Yes.
Okay, don't you think it might be wise if they help advise you on this matter and also help you with those other matters? Doesn't that make sense to you?
In a way.
In a way. Okay, in a good way?
In a way that is like I can have this be adjourned with a bond. Can I know what the bond is?
Ms. Martinez, I don't even have a plea from you at this point.
Oh, please, I'm guilty.
No, I didn't mean that.
No.
So
I'm not protesting to the allegations. I would like to
Well,
just,
but hold on. I don't want you saying anything about the offense.
well, I do. I see no way around it. It's plain and clear and simple. And
Well,
there's
I know that, and that's why people get attorneys, because sometimes they don't see any way around it.
but it's clear. It's plain. Like, really.
Oh, I don't know that, Ms. Martinez.
Yeah, I guess I'll go with a lawyer. Sure.
You will? Good. Okay, public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Ms. Martinez. Your Honor, we would waive any further reading. My client stands mute and ask that a not guilty plea be entered. I would ask, Your Honor, for an adjourned pretrial date. However, a more lengthier adjournment. The public defender does represent Ms. Martinez on her other matters. She actually has been referred to the Forensic Center and does have an appointment today with them.
Got
So
it.
I would ask for a lengthier adjournment to that end, Your Honor.
You should have led with that.
That's right.
All right.
The appointment is today?
When she has the appointment today?
It's scheduled for today per the letter from the center.
Got it. Do you know when the hearing date is set on the other matter?
Her latest court date in circuit court is July 28th, and her bond is denied on that case. So
Got
I
it.
believe it's the 28th.
Okay. So what I will do is I'll adjourn this matter out to August 6, 2025, 9 a.m. I'll set the defendant's bond so that she's getting credit because she's being held on that other case. I'll set her bond at a $5,000, 10% bond on this case. Order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms.
Does-
Martinez. Well,
Miss,
Well, I'll
ma'am,
be down-
it says the forensic center is coming to see me today.
it's scheduled for today, but I'm not sure if maybe I don't have the most updated information. So there's a chance it might be rescheduled, but from what I can see, it looks like it was scheduled for today. But either way, we'll be in touch, Ms. Martinez. But you're all set for court here today.
What is your name?
We're all set for court here today, Ms. Martinez, but I'll be down to see you before August.
Okay, but what is your name?
Oh, sorry, Natalie. I did not hear. I apologize, Natalie.
Natalie who? Natalie who?
Natalie Pate.
Pate. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Martinez.
Court does call the case, People versus Jacqueline Murray.
Kyle Riddle on behalf of Ms. Murray.